Hey guys, Steve here with Sailing Peregrine, and we got something cool for you today. So it is now spring and we're getting the boat ready for the summer season, and we're also laying out all of the projects that we need to do to get the boat not only ready for the upcoming summer and future summers, but as also for our plans to go down south to the Caribbean, to Maine, that sort of thing, and to really build the boat as more of an off-grid boat that has all of the features that we need. Now, in the upcoming videos, what we're going to be doing is showcasing a lot of the products that we're going to be adding. These include isotherm fridge conversions, solar and MPPT controllers, generators, and this bad boy that I have behind me here, which is a brand new propane stove. So please click that little thumbs up there. It really helps us out, and please subscribe if you haven't already. So in addition to all of the stuff that we have coming up in these upcoming videos, we're going to show you what I got behind me right now, which is a brand new propane stove. Now, the existing stove in the boat is pressurized kerosene, and it's horrible. It stinks the whole boat up. It has these big plumes of black smoke. We've tried to clean out the heads and tried to get everything working properly. It's just not working. So the concept on this is to put a brand new propane stove in, as well as an induction cooktop, so that way we have the option for both. Now, one of the issues is the cockpit lockers in the boat. So part of the install that we're going to be doing on this in the next episode is building a propane locker as well, because we can't really fit 20-pound tanks in the existing cockpit lockers. So we're going to go with 5-pound tanks and build a custom propane locker for that. So that's going to be kind of something cool to watch. So in researching all these propane stoves, I was looking at the Force 10s and some of the other ones, and we decided on Dickenson Marine. It seems like they were one of the higher quality stainless steel propane stoves, and they were absolutely wonderful. Their customer service, their support, answering questions, some of the greatest customer service that I've seen from anyone. So let's take a look at this bad boy. So here you go. This is the Caribbean model propane stove from Dickenson Marine. It is absolutely beautiful. Very, very high quality materials. Everything seems to be made well. It has this beautiful wooden cutting board on top, which is kind of nice. Came with a propane extension hose, solenoid, gimbal mounts, and the regulator, which will go into the propane locker. Now, the stove is really, really beautiful. Again, seems to be very high quality materials, heavyweight, durable. It doesn't look like they really cut any quarters on this. Overall, pretty happy with the way it feels and looks. On the top here, on the Caribbean model, you have two burners. We have a larger burner and we have a smaller burner. So this is kind of nice. And it also came with this. So these are pot holders. They hold everything in place. Comes with the batteries for the ignition switches for these. Now these have thermocouplers in them as well. So from what I understand, if the pilot light goes out or the burner goes out, it cuts off the propane supply. So that's sort of a nice safety mechanism that they have in place there. As you can see, it's good quality material. Everything seems to be made very well. Down here, you have the burner knobs as well as the oven knob for just your oven, as well as a broiler function. Now, I was sitting here trying to figure out how to get this open because it wouldn't really open. And then I realized, this is a boat and it's moving around, so they just don't want it flopping open. So all you do is you lift up and it's a locking mechanism. So if you can see there, it's a locking mechanism that holds everything in place. The stove is absolutely beautiful. You can see they have a broiler up top. They have the oven mechanism on the bottom. There's a nice drip tray in here. And you have this rack with two settings. So it can go on a lower level, or it could potentially go on this higher level. Again, mirror finish in here, absolutely beautiful. Looks like it's very well made, and I am loving this. I can't wait to do some cooking episodes. So that is that, and that locks into place. So really, really beautiful stove. Looking forward to this. So in one of these upcoming episodes, we are going to be doing an install on this, as well as some recipes and that sort of thing. All right, guys, so that is one of the first little haul videos and kind of like teaser products that we have. Again, like I said, we're going to be doing solar and inverters and a bunch of different upgrades on the boat, as well as a ton of sailing on the Chesapeake Bay this summer. So I hope you'll join us for that. Again, give us that little thumbs up downstairs and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks again, and look forward to the next video.